If I were to ask you who is the most loved unto Allah, the answer is Muhammad, peace be upon him. If I were to ask you who is the highest of creation, the most noble of all prophets of Allah, the answer is Muhammad, peace be upon him. Allah loves him more than you and I, but he never sat in an aircraft. Allah loved him more than you and I, but he has never had a watch. Allah loved him more than you and I, but he never had a tap which he could turn on and the water would come out from. Allah loved him more than you and I, he did not have a fan or electricity. Allah loved him more than you and I, he never had a car. Allah loved him more than you and I, he did not have a bicycle. Allah loved him more than you and I, he did not have the type of clothing that we have. That goes to show that everything we have is irrelevant in the eyes of Allah. It's got to do with who is closer to Allah, who gets Jannatul Firdaus. When you have things, it's not a sign of the happiness of Allah. When you don't have it, it's a sign of the happiness of Allah.